I just fixed our Kenmore gas dryer, which was not heating anymore, so the clothes would be cold and wet inside. So I want to show what steps I had to do to troubleshoot that. So first I want to show that it's working now. So in my case there was no flame. Now you can see the igniter comes on and then you hear a click and then the gas valve opens and you get the flame. So that's fixed now. Alright, let's turn it off and unplug it. Alright. So I think if you don't get a flame, there are two things that can go wrong. First is the igniter doesn't come on, and second, if the igniter comes on and you get no gas, then you probably have a problem with the gas valve assembly here. So that actually broke on me the last time. So I observed it while it was trying to come on, and the first two times when it turned on, it got a nice flame, but on the third time, just the igniter would come on, and there was no clicking from the gas valve. It was just some rattling, and what I had to do is replace those two little coils which sit on top of the gas valve assembly. All you have to do is get two new coils and unscrew the bolt, and then you can just take them off. So that was actually fairly easy. But this time on my repair, the igniter did not come on. So the igniter sits back here, and the first step you can do is unplug that here. You need a little screwdriver to release the latch, and then measure the resistance of the igniter element. So in my case, I measured 100 ohms, what means the element is good. So I looked it up, so the range is between 50 and 400 ohms. So that was not what was broken. The whole assembly is actually quite easy. So the electricity for it, the power, comes just through this cable and distributes here. And before that, if you follow the red wire, you see it goes back here to this white part, and you basically can measure the resistance between here. So that should be a closed connection when the fuse is working, but in my case the fuse was open, so I had to get a new one. You can get that part on Amazon for something like $4, but the local parts store charged me $18, but I assembled it and now it's working. Good luck with your fix. Oh, also how to it's easier if you remove that part to get in. So first you have to take out the lint screen, and then there's only 3 screws which you have to undo. There's one up here, one here, and one here, and then the whole thing comes off, and then you have easy access to get the thermal fuse out.